Ladies, are you on a sugar high? Bailey, are you on a sugar high? Yeah, yeah. Whatever.
I have no idea what you guys are doing.
Okay, that's one. Measuring. Mine's already ready.
What do you, Ethan? What you got? You're measuring the stretch? Hi, gentlemen. Oh yeah, we're still waiting on the Skittles here. And oh yes.
Torture device.
Oh, this chocolate. Oh, hello. Oh my goodness.
Wait,
I stuck my finger in here. They got stuck.
Are you serious?
I have to.
Yes.
I don't know because we need to know the temperature of all the water.
You'll need to get a thermometer over there. They're sitting over there.
Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. You guys are trying.
Oh, here we go.
And go! Where are they?